All right, so today we're doing just a real quick video for you here. We're looking at how to find a positive number, how to identify that in Java. So pretty straightforward. We have an if-else. Really make sure as you're typing in your ifs and your elses that you use these brackets here. This will, if it happens to enter this if statement, that this is what we're going to have happen. So in this case, we're just going to print out, this is a positive number. And then in the else here, we're just going to print out and say this is not a positive number. So in this case, we're going to ask for an integer. We're going to call it num right here. So this is what we want to compare down here in our if. So we're going to do num. You're looking for a positive number, so really you just want it to be greater than 0, right? So we're going to do greater than or equal to. Greater than, what is going on? Goodness. Greater than or equal to, man, tough day for typing. Greater than or equal to 0. All right, so it's just going to take this number that we're inputting here and it's going to compare this and look at it and see if it's greater than or equal to 0. If it is, it's going to go ahead and say that this is a positive number. If it's not, then it's going to move it down here. Okay, so let's go ahead and run that. So we have 5. This is a positive number. We can run it again. And let's say we have -5. This is not a positive number. And we really do want to use the else here just to catch everything, right? So if that number doesn't fit here, if it's less than 0, then obviously we want all those numbers to go down here in the else and then say that this is not a positive number. All right. Hopefully that helps you. Good luck with your coding.